I'm Joe, and welcome back to our Power Packs video series. Today, we're covering the anatomy of pouches. Pouches can come in all sorts of shapes and designs, but the overall anatomy remains similar. Here in front of me, I have an assortment of pouches you would find at your local grocery store. Whether you realize it or not, these pouches have many key features on them that make them stand out from other types of packaging at the store. The first key feature you see is its hang hole, located here. A hang hole allows a pouch to be hung from a hook for retail display. These hang holes can be sized differently for a customer's needs. These holes are often centered to allow the pouch to hang perfectly on its hanger. Another noticeable feature is its tear notches, located here, which are punctured into the side of the pouches to make it easier to tear off the top to reach the contents inside. The zipper crush, located on the sides of the zipper, are a very important area on a pouch. This can cause major leakage if not properly sealed. It's important to note that the tear notch should never touch the zipper crush area. If the tear notch is punctured into the zipper crush area, it can leak, making it a defective pouch. The zipper seal, located on the inside of the pouch, is often tested via a vacuum submerged unit. Having the right amount of heat and pressure can make a good zipper seal, allowing your product on the inside to remain intact or unharmed. Now onto the folded gusset, which is the most recognizable feature of most pouches today. A folded gusset on a pouch is a design feature where extra material is folded into the side, seen here, or bottom of the pouch. The gusset allows the pouch to expand, providing greater capacity and creating a stable structure. Bottom gussets help the pouch stand upright, while the side gussets expand outward, which are often used in coffee bags and other flexible packaging. These gussets improve functionality, storage efficiency, and shelf presentation. An important feature to note about the gusset is the gusset holes. Seen here, these holes are formed from the same manner as tear notches. The gusset holes are where the front and back panels of the pouch are formed together so that the pouch will stand upright. These holes allow the unlaminated material to seal together to allow the pouch to have a strong seal. It's important to make sure that the gusset holes, also called tack holes, are properly aligned and spaced evenly, because if they are not, you will not have a good seal or stand-up pouch. I want to thank you for joining me today, and please stay tuned for future educational videos.
We hope you gained valuable insights from today's video.
For more in-depth videos and updates, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on LinkedIn.
Be sure to comment below if there are any topics you'd like us to cover in the future.
Happy converting and keep practicing your craft. Thank you.